Hello. LEI. Yes. Yes, indeed. I was over at Jack in the Box. They got one person working over there, and a line, so many cars. I got stuck behind there. Yeah. Awesome, awesome. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. All right. Happy New Year.
Same to you. I guess I go see you again.
Yeah, probably so. Maybe after lunch.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right, I gotta do some rearranging now. The one thing these apps don't do is take into consideration the load. They will not be doing that, so don't plan on them taking in consideration the load. Just FYI. Don't expect that. Okay. That's that there. Nope. That will not fit down there. Okay, so what are we going to do here? Okay, put that there. Alright. Stick this in here like this. Okay. And then let's put this in here like that. Okay. Put this on top of here. Okay. Okay. And put this in there. And this one will go on top here. Okay.